All right, so let me write it up here. Y equals the log base, I'm so sorry. The one book we use an A, this book we use a B. Log base B of x if and only if x equals b to the y. Just so you know, for shorthand, IFF means if and only if. You don't want to keep writing if and only if. Also, this notation, a double arrowed equal sign, means if and only if. All right. So we're going to go back and forth between logarithmic equations and exponential equations. So right now in part A, we have an exponential equation because it's 2 to the third equals 8. So let's get used to writing the logarithmic equation. The base of the log is always the base of the exponent. Part A, what's the base of the exponent? 2, what's the base of the log going to be? 2. Log base 2 of, put everything in its right place, 8 equals 3. Log base 2 of 8 equals 3. Why? Because 2 to the third equals 8. So sometimes students like to do that little swipey thing. Totally fine. If that's what it takes, go for it. The little arrows I just drew, its technical name is swipey thing. All right. Next one. Square root of 9 is the same thing as 9 to what power? Good. So 9 to the 1/2 equals 3 is exponential. Let's write the corresponding logarithmic. What's the base of the exponent? What's the base of the log going to be? The base of the log is always the base of the exponent. What's the base of the exponent? What's the base of the log going to be? Log base 9 of equals, good, because 9 to the 1/2 equals 3. Questions? All right, C. It's a logarithmic equation. We're going to write it now as an exponential equation. What's the base of the log? Raised to the equals, very good, 5 to the 2 is 25. So this statement, log base 5 of 25 equals 2, is equivalent to the statement 5 squared equals 25. You happen to be used to the latter one there. They say the exact same thing, just 2 different ways. D, what's the base of the log? What's the base of the exponent going to be? What's the base of the log? What's the base of the exponent going to be? The base of the log is always the base of the exponent. The base of the log is, the base of the exponent is, how high can Britney Spears count to? 3. It was that song. Come on, people. 3 to the equals 1/9. 3 to the -2 is 1/9. To summarize all 4 parts here, whatever the logarithm equals, in part A it's equal to 3. 3 is the exponent of 2 that gives you 8. 3 is the exponent of 2 that gives you 8. 1/2 was the exponent of 9 that gives you 3. 2 is the exponent of 5. That gives you 25. In other words, the logarithm is equal to the exponent of the base that gives you the argument. The logarithm is the exponent of the base that gives you the argument.